Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer Vince and I'd like you to meet my Sea Lion friends together with their trainers one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have here. And according to our trainer, he is the handsome one. Wow, confident! His name is Vincent. Together with trainer Mark, say hi! While on the other side is the eldest female South American sea lions that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the prettiest. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Isis. Together trainer Johnny, say hello. Now